In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our video snippet tool. Just a note before we start, when creating a workflow and you get to the step where it says action, make sure that you change it from full video into snippets. Otherwise, you won't see our snippet tool. Once you have your workflow, go into the View Contents page. Once you're in the View Contents page, you'll see a button called Create Snippets. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And this is our snippet tool. On the left, you'll see your video, and on the right, you'll see your snippets. So by default, it automatically makes a snippet of 55 seconds long from 0 to 55. But then, of course, you would go in and adjust it to your liking. You can also, if you want, adjust the duration of that clip by just typing in a number or increasing this number here. Let's say you want it to hit 49 seconds. Awesome. Give it a nice title, something that means something. It talks about this particular clip. Here's how to repurpose videos, for example. And then there's a couple cool features. The play snippet button will play the video from the start point until the end point. So you can see exactly where it starts and exactly where it ends. The next thing I want to show you is while you're watching a video, you can hit the spacebar key and watch the video as you like. And then if you find a particular spot, you can pause it and press the X key and it will automatically create the clip exactly at that spot. So this is our clip number 2. Clip 2, Hanny shares about content. Again, play snippet will play exactly that particular clip from start to end. And when you're done, all you need to do is click the X, and here we are, your 2 clips. Last thing I want to show you is inside your workflow settings, you can adjust the default snippet duration. By default, it's set to 55 seconds because that's the most compatible with most platforms like Twitter, Instagram, etc. But if you don't like that, you can automatically change that to whatever you like. Let's say you want a 2-minute snippet and you can save that in your workflow settings. Also, at any point in time, I can go in and delete or edit a specific clip, or if I click Update Snippets, it will load up the entire list of clips all in one window in case you or someone on your team wants to review all the clips before you publish them.